Hey, today's video involves cracked aluminum and getting it fixed. Now this boat, hardtop, has seen lots of Pacific Ocean trauma, hard waves, nasty weather, and both sides of this support are cracked pretty much all the way through. So it's been like that. This whole part is boxed aluminum, but it's over 10 years old and it's finally taken its toll. Now I did weld a patch on there last year, and the patch is holding up. It hasn't cracked, but it's not enough. So what we're gonna do, we got to figure out, okay, how we're gonna fix it or make it better. We're gonna add some more metal. Because I'm not going to rebuild the whole thing. So I've got this nice thick aluminum stock. So I cut me a small piece, and I've drawn myself a little cutout. So we're going to cut the line off on this red, and what we're going to do is we're going to add. So this stuff's going to have to move, but on either side of this boat it's going to get some metal, and so we're going to rivet it in there first, and then we'll come back and we'll weld it. Alright, well, we're going to use this really thick jagged saw blade because aluminum loves to clog fine blades. As much as fine blades are good on aluminum, they don't last very long. So let's just see what we can do here. Not too bad. Here's the part. Let's check the fit. Oh, look at that. You know how I can tell that the fit's good is that we can barely see this thing behind here. Okay, the fit's good. Let's drill some holes. The part is now fabricated. She's ready to go on. Here's a look at the piece installed. And it's going to later be welded. So that just covers making a little fab to strengthen up the broken down aluminum structure.